Hey everyone, and welcome back to the studio. Join me this Wednesday morning as we dive into one of our regular art class sessions here at LifeArt School and Studio. And I'm really excited to show you some amazing student work today, and you can also get a peek at one of the foundational secrets that will truly level up your painting skills. And you know, when most people start painting, one of the biggest hurdles is feeling like they can't even draw a straight line, let alone paint. But, as I always say to them, that is the absolute best place to start. And what we focus on right from the beginning is absolutely fundamental, understanding values. Simply put, values are the lightness or darkness of a color, and learning to see dark and light is the most crucial skill you can develop as a painter. Forget about color for the moment. If your values are right, your color will be right and your painting will have depth, form, and great impact. One of the very first rules I teach, and one that I let my students practice constantly, is there's always light next to dark and there's always hot next to cold. This contrast creates shape, dimension, and then make objects feel solid on your canvas. Beyond seeing value, we spend a lot of time on the practical side. Students learn how to mix color, achieve specific value ranges, how to make a color darker, how to make it lighter, how to make it richer, how to load your brush, how much paint to put on your brush, and how much do you thin that paint down. A fantastic little trick we use, especially very early on, is use your phone. Just like AI is part of our lives, our phones are part of our life. And you just take a quick photo of your object that you have in front of you or of your painting, turn it to grayscale, and that way you can see the values. If it's too much darkness, too much lighter, or all too similar. So the magic happens when we take these exercises and apply them to the paintings. Just look at the lovely examples you've seen here, the landscape, the apple, and I'll add some extra work on the end for you to have another look at it. So this is the real secret. This is what I always emphasize. If you want to paint accurate values, it doesn't matter which color you paint in. If the value is correct, your painting will be correct. So our students are doing great work, so can you. You can join us online at LifeArt Academy, and I will add the link to the end of this video. Just click on it and you get 15% discount on your first art course. Hope to see you soon.